Hotman okokuqala mandithi congrats kuwathu ngoba anikeze i-new players i-game time. Okokuqala sina 3 games and all of them they are important. So introduction ye-new guys ibonakele. Jonga kwi-last game uintroduce umthiyane ingathi uzoyi-owner la position number 6 bese idinga i-player ene-confidence njengomthiyane. So umthiyane xa ehleli kula number 6 unikeza i-chance umqobothi ukuthi aphushe aye ku-number 8. So iyamsebenzela ucoach loo nto and ngicinga kwi-games ezilandelayo akathathe uMasilela ambeke ngaphandle kancane because uMasilela uyawalahla amabhola yena siyavuma umnandi but i-confidence akakayifumani kuma-games alandelayo.
Mamela mfethu ne izolo bekutrenda isithombe sakakabelo Dlamini ukuthi ubuyile ejimini mawubhekile kumele ayi-own leya position number 10.
uKabelo Dlamini siyamazi i-player egood number 10 yethu i-best number 10 yethu. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi maye fit for i-game ucoach makamlahlele uShenko siyazi xa sithola ama-free kicks i-free kick specialist so wenza izinto zenzeke mayebuyile siyajabula because we-add i-competition kwaba abanikeza i-game time.
Umbuzo wami ogcina ne it's 2 out of 3 kuSikhukhune kuzoyenzakalani Saturday?
It's gonna be 3 out of 3 and first game score 1 second game score 2 on Saturday we're gonna bury them we're gonna score 4 goals.
Senze ngicela sivale mfethu.
Ngiyabonga kuni ngosinikeza opportunity and ngijabule nakumabhakaniya ukuthi afike ngobuninzi. Saturday amabhakaniya masenze sold out niyazi situme ngama sold out e-arena.
Thank you for PSL Pass, please subscribe.